Well, stunning stroke play. Stunning, and they have got Sri Lanka shattered. They do not know if they're any chance of delivering deliveries where they need to pitch. 98 from 75. Kohli has just changed his bat. Doesn't surprise me. He smashed the bottom of it, digging Yorkers out powerfully. 10 forwards, 1-6. What about that 6 by Raina? Right when India needed it. Pereira couldn't finish the over well. The last ball going for 6. Nice Malinga to Kohli. Smashed off middle stump. There's going to be 2. And he comes back. One of the best one-day international hundreds one can remember. A night he'll never forget. Virat Kohli has delivered.
Well, he's played superbly.